Today I'll be showing you how to build this Adirondack stool. It builds exactly the same way as a Clara coffee table, they're just different sizes. In your Clara kit you'll receive 2 pairs of legs, a bag of zinc bolts and the tabletop itself. In your Clara pack you will receive 8 bolts, and the tools you'll need is a 13mm spanner and a rubber mallet if you have one, but it's not needed. It's a good idea to try to build this table at a working height rather than on the ground. Take the bolts and pop them through the pre-drilled holes. Do all sides. Make sure that these legs are placed on the outside of the supports. And give them a tap with the mallet later on in the process. Try to put the nuts and the washers on at the same time. It's just a bit easier. Once you've put all the nuts and washers on, finish them off with a spanner. Please note when tightening these up, not to tighten them too much because they will very easily crush the wood. And then do exactly the same process on the other side. Pepe garden furniture is pressure treated. This process can leave batten marks as you see here, but they weather in over time. We recommend that you use the furniture protector provided with every kit in ½ litre, 1 litre or 2.5 litre tins, depending on the size of the item. This should be applied every 2 to 3 years, depending on exposure, evenly to the outside. Concentrate a little bit more on the end grains and the end of the legs for this darker finish. And here you have it, your finished Clara coffee table.